In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain to your Wix website. Whether you're setting up your personal site or launching an online business, connecting a domain to your Wix page is an essential step to establish your online presence. It's straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through the whole process. To begin, head over to your Wix account dashboard. You can find this easily by opening your web browser and navigating to the Wix website. Once there, log in using your credentials if you haven't already. This dashboard is the command center for all your Wix projects, and you'll manage everything from design updates to domain connections here. Once you're on your Wix dashboard, look for the option labeled Connect Domain. This feature is typically easy to spot, often found in the site's Settings or Domain Management section. Clicking on this option will direct you to the domain connection setup. This is where the magic happens, so make sure you're ready with your domain details. After selecting to connect a domain, you'll be prompted to enter your domain name. This is the domain you've registered with a domain provider. Type it in carefully. It's a good idea to double-check for any typos or errors, since an incorrect domain would lead to a broken link. This domain will be linked to your Wix website, becoming the primary web address for visitors trying to access your page. With your domain entered, it's time to click on the Let's Go button. What this does is initiate the process whereby Wix verifies if everything is set up correctly and ensures your domain is ready to connect. It's a critical step and can sometimes take a second, so be patient and let Wix do its thing. Next, you'll see an option asking you to confirm you own this domain. Click on Yes, I own this domain. This step is important. It essentially confirms to Wix that you're authorized to make changes and connect this domain to their platform, and if everything is correct, you will simply need to follow any additional prompts provided on screen as Wix coordinates the domain setup. And that's it! You've successfully added your domain to your Wix website. As you complete this, remember, it's not uncommon for changes to take a little while to propagate, sometimes up to 48 hours. So don't worry if you don't see immediate results. Just check back after some time and your site should be live and accessible via the newly connected domain. I hope this tutorial has made the process of adding a domain to your Wix site clear and manageable. Once your domain is live, you're well on your way to creating a dynamic and accessible web presence. Thanks for joining me, and happy website building!